Now see, the girls know where the top is. Oh, he did it. Oh, and he's holding on. I see, before he was scrapping so hard. He'll just be biting the bottle. You see him do it with 2 hands. Hold on. Stop. Ouch. You guys are hurting me. Okay. He's not doing it. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Wait a minute. He just beat Jordan up yesterday. Wait a minute. Let me turn it. Let me turn it. There you go. Now you're getting smart there, little man. That's it, Batman. Uh-oh, Miss Piggy is over here. Oh, their eyes are changing colors. Uh-oh. Okay, the cereal might be stuck down in there. Wait a minute. Let me shake it up. It's not. Ooh. You got crusted food on your face, man. Here we go. There's only a little bit left in there. He's not going to do it. As soon as I tell you to stop taping him, he'll probably do it. A little food? Come on, eat. No, milk.